again to this YouTube channel, and please, if today is your first time here, kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel for me. One, like the video, two, and drop me some comments. What I said, this is the intro to any video I do on this YouTube channel. So Charlie, you need to subscribe to this YouTube channel for me, one, and like the video, two, and drop me some comments. So it's Showbiz Breakthrough, right? And through this platform, my creator said we will just use it to uplift our upcoming artists. What I said, we need to project them to some level, and they need to be seen to like the other people in the world, because and you'll be a bit underground, but your platform the air grow crack, and we need to use this as an opportunity to help them, so that people too can see them, say they are there and they are trying their best to be in a line with the top artists. What I say. So today I have one upcoming artist. I'm about to react to his song. It's called Skyloss. Skyloss. That's I say. So what title then, you know, thought of Skyloss. So that's what he has thought. So without wasting my time, let's go straight on the tube and just watch Skyloss. What I say. But if you are new here, subscribe and let's go. Yanko.
Yeah.
I should do video about motorbikes in album Charlie, and the arrangement in here. Come on.
Yeah, this year we are coming with fire, man.
Hey man, relax. Papa Ben is a charm, son. Relax, bro. Relax.
Yeah, this year we are coming.
Hey. Jama Babo Eddie, underground for Eddie. Hey, on Pablo Eddie, great.
Man, all the fake rappers to back off.
Okay.
2021. Woo!
Okay, Uncle.
Yo, Skyloss, spit some bars for them.
Okay, I'm waiting.
I mean what I mean. This year I'm gonna front my face. Something big for the pop line. Niggas are really underage. Make no pretend. You just wanna act like you niggas be kiddies. So if I tryna make your flow tight, yeah,
maybe you niggas be kiddies. If you try and make your flow tight, what did I say? You niggas you be kiddies. Try to make your flow tight. Yanko.
I'm here all night.
Wow, relax. Okay, BB. Or see BBC.
You just wanna act like you niggas be kiddies. So if I tryna make your flow tight,
okay,
yeah, maybe I'm passing my rap and I'm here all night.
I'm coming with. We see a gyro rap no more. Almost the sound or say maybe I'm passing the flow drill. It's not they be all night. That I say. Or tenacity train every day. Charlie, it's easy.
My first interview I did with Cruikshank Solomon.
Okay.
People started reacting. My boss was so random.
Yeah, if you guys say it's easy. Upcoming artists don't want your opportunity. I'm down for your interview. Or now for a inbox Monday, Charlie. Now just imagine say top presenters there, Abeku Santana, Money, those kind of media personalities. No more for your interview. You know, hey, DMs in the Bossu, Skyloss, expect big DMs in it. I miss you. It's been a long time. Then your DM, Charlie, because when those big personalities and you check it out on you, there, bro. That's all. DMs in the over counting many.
I'm heading to my stardom.
Okay.
If you know, I'm from White Brick Kingdom.
Okay.
Yeah. 2021, I have a big plan. So all I need is your support.
Okay.
I'm talking about business. So
Apache said 2021, he got a whole lot of like business on his mind. Our person like a whole lot of things to do. So what he need from you is your support. More man support so him. That's all he needs from you. Say over supporting a career, because 2021 he has a very good like our name be already put in place to make things happen. What I say? What is needed is your support. So let's go.
Okay. Hey,
relax. And then I come out. Hey, rappers, I'm coming.
And then who made the Calabella was a Ruby Michelle Lacoste. Yeah.
Hey. Adam who medical. Oh God, I'm coming. Let me take the line again. I've got to be so them but still a hot boy. But he's a very good rapper. He's very good in terms of this rap game. He's very good.
21, I have a big plan. So all I need is your support.
Okay.
I'm talking about business. So okay, for come out.
Okay. And then we're talking about business. You for come out. What you say?
Ela was me rebe fisa me shella course.
That will be who medical la hustle being rebe fisa or shella course. What I say, but I don't know if that day now be shella medical. You have in mind tell be shella course and I said it. Oh God.
Gravity me de ban me bass ni slow down. Money na move for my force. Actually, what the chairman na me ya wood and woolen. I do be also. I used to be the me rap the door so that me see a good woolen. Me rap the be as seduce me punch and drop here cause here pollution. Freestyle so na keep on.
Or see ne punch and drop here cause so air pollution. Hey, I tell me where you see you. I'm coming in there and rap no drop it. The punch is ne drop here cause air pollution. Wow.
Then me never breathe. Money that will stop bleeding. Yeah, look who rap mukata. And say muso afeni yejeje mutata. Na na metro, me se me ni agrada. Si abutre, o pesa wone me yaka. I am the boss. SHS fusu me like I am the cause.
Wow. I am the god. SHS fusu me like I am the cause. Charlie, people they rhyme. I won't rhyme it. You go.
Speedy, I'm not a goat anymore. Yeah, I'm from a horse. Yeah, big chance to my sky addict. Supporting me from day one. How many miss are you great talent? Focus on Guam, a person may a pre-man. My gonna say my rapper in a boy renovation. Many may want to walk up qualifications. Rap station. My time when I'm making a coming who a better abomination. Yeah, what the hell are you, bitch? Fake nigga one snitch. Real MC one switch. I would die.
Charlie, real MCs one switch. Is there rappers in the crowd? I'm gyra. I could sing it. Charlie. Real MCs like new more game and they are switching. That's why they're coming out. This is saying, he said, now real MCs for switching, you know. Hey,
me rapping at a high pitch, yeah. Look, I say easy. If you ban in that for me, many since you are so me do.
Now, when Ben's not coming, we have a good genetic child trying the video. See,
that was in my watch upon your way.
It's a great time I'll be parking it. And BMW, yeah, BMW. Chama I'll be parking it BMW. I didn't get a push inside no more chili. Chama so I could join on the channel video. Hey, I'm quite.
Money pay me up for yeah. What back on some so one, I bet by with this or coffee do bow. What better be at you or the be a choker. Who would me, brother? Name na bedi boza. I told the be the thing fast. Send me feature by a bright challenge by a rockstar. Man, to you, Jane, send a gym finny and pet. Sissy and we do go far.
Wow. I say, your man into come and send a dream film this year, Yempe. And yes, we didn't tell me, okay, I shot for the Kwame Eugene, and Yumbe, DJ Barris, Shatawal, and Kwame Eugene, a dream film. Or see this year, a dream film, Yempe. As I say, a dream film, Yempe. Young go.
Listen, man, sky on the beat. You know what's a sky. Me run the streets, me difficult, make a move hit. You know what's a bad man won't repeat. Boy, I'm a donation, you're fan chow. Someone made a kiss and tell. We break here, I was able to ring the bell.
Oh, yeah, and they are on fan chow. Now, someone that or you kiss and tell.
Men control, yeah. Jerry, I also can't come. Give me play hash and me a song. Sky be my limit, and none of my chance, so me ego chance.
Bombo clad. Yo, my brethren. Real attitude, put pan the beat.
Okay.
You know, sir, 2021 rap music, no this chug. Maybe you have a bad friend.
Okay. So, Charlie, that be one upcoming rapper. I say upcoming, no. They are about to take over the game. What I say. So that's the video was directed by Cruikshanks. Yeah, Cruikshanks Solomon. But I go PC ni Eka Shanks. I say what I say. Me boy me PC boys. I say what Eka Shanks. I say what I say. Now your friend Chairman, the other TV, your friend Cruikshanks Solomon. So big shout out to Cruikshanks Solomon because what making this thing happen, editing and nothing for YBBR or YouTube channel. So much checking out. I'm subscribing to the YouTube channel as well. My name is still Mr. Showbiz, but before I say anything about this video, Charlie thought of Sky Loss on point. That's what he thought. What I said. So there are two beats in this one. Charlie is out. Go check it. Upcoming from this, what you can also do to help them because we need to use our platform normal like people to get to know. Maybe through this reaction, you may get a fan or some fans from this platform. What I say. So just go straight on the audio mark and search for Sky Loss Ubenyano. Then you get to like see more of his songs. I just checked this guy out on Audiomack and I really like how he raps and a whole lot of things. Just check him out. My name is still Mr. Showbiz. Follow me on all social media handles and let's vibe and connect. But before that, you need to check this guy also, Sky Loss, I think on all social media handles as well. And subscribe to this YouTube channel, like the video and drop me some comments. My name is still Mr. Showbiz as I said earlier on. Bye.